From concept through to production, millions of users worldwide rely on SOLIDWORKS Design. Renowned for its extensive capabilities and ease of use, SOLIDWORKS Design is the industry standard that gives you the ability to develop incredible products on time and under budget. Great ideas start with a sketch. In SOLIDWORKS Design, this is simple and intuitive with instant feedback and a palette of tools right at your fingertips. Even the most complex ideas are easy to realize. Life is in 3D, and so are your designs. Instantly generate 3D shapes with a host of features. As a parametric design tool, SOLIDWORKS Design enables you to modify dimensions precisely, either numerically or with on-screen manipulators. Intelligence is central to SOLIDWORKS Design, with predictive AI assistance to eliminate tedious tasks. SOLIDWORKS Design includes extensive libraries of commonly used geometries, with engineering and tolerancing information built in. 3D design comes alive when virtually assembling your components. Parts and assemblies can be snapped together with a simple drag and drop, visualizing range of motion and mimicking real-life behavior. Use the built-in Toolbox library to streamline the addition of hardware such as nuts, bolts, and washers. These smart fasteners automatically resize based on standards to fit the application. AI assistants bring similar fastener recognition to your existing libraries, regardless of their source. Drag and drop any custom hardware and take advantage of snap-to-fit mating. Designs can be interrogated for fit, interferences, mass properties, and much more. SOLIDWORKS Design efficiently handles even the most complex assemblies containing many thousands of parts. Filter large assemblies down to specific subsystems and selectively load only the data needed for the task at hand. SOLIDWORKS Design makes documenting and detailing quick and easy. Starting with a standard drawing sheet, 2D views are conveniently dragged into place from a view palette. Automatic projection views are created, and section views can be generated by snapping to model references. Existing model dimensions can be revealed with a single click, or create additional dimensions with intuitive formatting and tolerance options. Assembly drawings illustrate components in context with prominent exploded views. Automatic bills of materials and item balloons make understanding the design easy for manufacturers and suppliers. Many great designs are created by a team of talented people. Securely save your data to the cloud to leverage powerful, integrated tools that keep every member of the team informed and contributing at every step. Share design data within your organization and never lose a file again with powerful search and tagging functionality. Track how items are used and easily visualize how they relate to one another. Lock files when making changes in order to prevent accidental overwrites. Share 3D data outside your organization while protecting intellectual property. Recipients can view and comment with no download or install required. Markups are attached directly to the model and are available instantly to help guide your design decisions. Easily create and track revisions, all within the design workspace, giving full model history and traceability. SOLIDWORKS Design offers purpose-built tools for specialized workflows. Create accurate sheet metal parts with industry-specific features. Flat patterns stay up to date for rapid distribution to manufacturing. Dedicated framing system tools automate the process of generating welded and bolted structures. An accurate cut list is automatically created to keep scrap to an absolute minimum. Powerful surface design tools give you control over even the most complex shapes. Visual inspection methods validate the quality of the surface. Simplify complex 3D routing of pipes, tubes, and cables while optimizing paths. And the power of SOLIDWORKS Design doesn't end there. With a whole ecosystem of integrated tools that grow alongside your business. Leverage next-generation browser-based modeling, virtually test designs before prototypes are built, generate toolpaths for integrated manufacturing, create electrical schematics, route 3D paths, and plan for PCB designs, effectively manage bills of materials, render stunning marketing content, and so much more. SOLIDWORKS Design is the industry standard for mechanical CAD and provides everything you need to bring your designs to life in less time and at lower cost. For more information, contact your local reseller or explore our website.